the collect option in scan mode. So let's say you have a collection area in your lab which is separate than where the samples are received, or let's say the samples are received in the department and collected in another area. Then instead of marking them as collected individually, one by one, we also now have an option to use the scan mode to collect samples. So you can go in the scan mode option in accession and then go into the collect sample tab. Here you can paste the sample ID, or you can just use a barcode gun and connect it to the computer and scan the sample ID. Once you scan the sample ID and hit enter, the sample will be collected automatically, and it will show the details of the samples which have been collected, the patient information, and the test which was collected. You can also, if you enter more and more samples, you can add those samples over here. And let's say if you want to search a particular sample, whether you've scanned it or not, you can use the search box over here. You can also export the logs of the collected samples. Once you're done with this session of collecting samples, you can just export a log of all the samples which have been collected, and this becomes your work log of all the samples which you have collected in a session. Let's say you enter the same sample 2 times, or you have already collected, it will be shown as rescan, and it will be just marked as it will just show as rescan, so it will not affect the sample in any way. So this is how you can use the collect sample in the scan mode option to collect samples in bulk, thereby reducing time to process samples. Thank you.